Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. Today we're diving into the Euro NCAP crash test results for the 2024 Peugeot 408. Let's see how this stylish new model fares when it comes to safety. In the frontal offset test, the 408's passenger compartment remained stable, offering solid protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Peugeot also showed that it would protect occupants of different sizes and seating positions just as well. But for the driver, chest protection was rated weak, and lower leg protection came in as marginal. In the full-width rigid barrier test, most areas received good or adequate protection, although the driver's chest was rated marginal. On the brighter side, the 408 shined in the side barrier test, where it scored maximum points, offering excellent protection for all critical body areas. Even in the more severe side pole impact, the chest protection was adequate, while other areas were rated good. Now, while the Peugeot 408 doesn't feature an advanced e-call system to alert emergency services in the event of a crash, it does have a post-collision braking system. This helps prevent secondary impacts after the initial collision, adding an extra layer of safety. So, how does the 2024 Peugeot 408 stack up? It excels in side impact protection and whiplash prevention, but falls short in chest protection and far side impact control. Overall, it's a solid performer, but there's room for improvement in a few areas. Stay tuned to our channel for the next crash test results and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.